Think Brazilian waxes are only for women? Think again. What you're about to learn may completely change how you view male grooming. Let's break down 12 shocking truths about men and Brazilian waxing. And trust me, number 7 will blow your mind. Yes, men get Brazilian waxes, and its growing fast demand has doubled in the last decade. Especially popular among athletes and models. More salons now offer male-specific waxing services. Social media is normalizing male grooming. It's not just about the hair. It's hygiene to reduces sweat and odor. Easier to clean and maintain. Helps prevent skin irritations in human areas. It's way more common than you think. Men of all ages 20s 50s book Brazilian waxes. Common before vacations, weddings, or photo shoots. Popular in both cities and small towns. Word of mouth and online reviews drive bookings. There's a male-specific waxing technique. Male hair is thicker and coarser. Requires a different wax tight and pull method. Positions during waxing vary slightly. Experienced waxers know how to reduce discomfort. First-time pain is real, but temporary pain peaks during the first session. Gets easier with consistent waxing. Skin adjusts over time. Numbing creams can help a lot. Ingrown hairs can happen, but you can prevent them. Exfoliate before and after waxing. Avoid tight underwear right after. Apply aloe vera or tea tree oil. Don't shave between waxes. Some men get full wax, front, back, and in between. The Monzilian includes the full intimate area. Many prefer complete hair removal. Popular among bodybuilders and actors, aesthetic preference plays a big role. Shaving versus waxing. The long-term game: waxing lasts 3 to 6 weeks, shaving lasts 1 to 2 days. Less chance of razor bumps or cuts. Hair grows back finer and softer, less itching during regrowth. Yes, you should prep before your appointment. Hair should be at least 1/4 inch long. Avoid caffeine before your session. It increases sensitivity. Shower beforehand for hygiene. Wear loose clothing. Most guys are nervous, and that's normal. Anxiety about pain or exposure is common. Professionals are trained and discreet. Many salons offer private rooms. Some even play calming music to relax clients. It's not a one-size-fits-all experience. Some men wax monthly, others only before events. Everyone's pain threshold and skin type vary. Some skip certain areas, so like the inner thighs. Others opt for combo packages with back or chest wax. Confidence boost, absolutely. Many men report feeling cleaner and more confident. Some say it improves intimacy. Smooth skin enhances muscle definition. Grooming boosts self-care mindset. So yes, men do get Brazilian waxes, and the reasons range from hygiene to confidence to performance. Still think it's shocking? Have you ever considered one? Or would you? Drop a comment below, subscribe for more truth bombs, and don't forget to like this video if you learned something new.